A berry bowl of Martian spherules. Datum 200400405. How were these unusual Martian spherules created? Thousands of unusual gray spherules, made of iron and rock but dubbed blueberries, were found embedded in and surrounding rocks near the landing site of the robot Opportunity rover on Mars. To help investigate their origin, Opportunity found a perseid aurora. Datum 200-30809. Just after the moon set but before the sun rose in the early morning hours of 2000 August 12. Meteors pelted the Earth from the direction of the constellation Perseus, while ions pelted the Earth from the sun. The meteors were expected as subsand grains long left behind by comet Swift-Tuttle-Anu Milky Way over the Spanish Peaks. Datum 201-60524. That's not lightning. And it did not strike between those mountains. The diagonal band is actually the central band of our Milky Way galaxy, while the twin peaks are actually called the Spanish Peaks, but located in Colorado, USA. Although each Spanish peak is composed of a slightly different type. The Big Dipper. Datum 201-10624. The best-known asterism in northern skies. The Big Dipper is easy to recognize, though some might see the plow. Either way, the star names and the familiar outlines will appear in this thoughtfully composed 24-frame mosaic when you slide your cursor over the image. Dubhe. Alpha star of the Dipper. Millions of stars in Omega Centauri. Datum 201-90824. Globular star cluster Omega Centauri, also known as NGC 5139, is some 15,000 light-years away. The cluster is packed with about 10 million stars much older than the Sun within a volume about 150 light-years in diameter. It's the largest and brightest of 200 or so known globular clusters that roam Comet Tsuchinshan Atlas over the Lincoln Memorial. Datum 2024-1014. Go outside at sunset tonight and see a comet. C. 2023 A3. Tsuchinshan Atlas has become visible in the early evening sky in northern locations to the unaided eye. To see the comet, look west through a sky with a low horizon. If the sky is clear and dark enough, you will not even need binoculars. T.